Visibility 1 to 3 nautical miles. Sunday night, northwest winds 15 to 20 knots. Waves 2 to 3 feet. A chance of snow until midnight. Visibility 1 to 3 nautical miles. The following is the offshore forecast for the following marine locations: Hudson Canyon to Baltimore Canyon to 1,000 fathoms. Today, northwest winds 20 to 30 knots. Speed 6 to 11 feet. Tonight, northwest winds 15 to 25 knots. This is a weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio All-Hazard Warning Device for station WXJ94 in Lewis, Delaware. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties and marine areas near Lewis, Delaware, Kent and Sussex. In New Jersey, Cape May. In Maryland, Caroline, Dorchester, Wicomico, and Worcester. And on the marine, the coastal waters from Great Egg Inlet, New Jersey south to Chicago, Virginia out 40 nautical miles, including Delaware Bay. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station WXJ94 in Lewis, Delaware. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for the coastal waters of